activate negativity, do me a favor, watch this because this is kind of important. TI community, listen up. If you're being targeted, if you're getting targeted, informant everywhere, spies, listen up. So this is some of the thing. I mean, look, I'm not having a chance. I have like so many channels, so I'm not having chance to make all these videos. But look, I'm gonna try to make it quick for some of you to make the world a little better place. You definitely want to press like and subscribe and follow. Check out my channels. You need these channels. Please do not ask me any unnecessary question. Oh, what do you mean? Oh no, I think that's a conspiracy. No, don't say that stuff, okay? TI community, if you don't know anything about this, if you got this first time, do a little research, then come back to my comments, okay? So for targeted individuals, if you're being this legally stalked, if you're being legally stalked, and if you're being harassed by this agency, listen up. So this is some of the techniques, this is some of the stuff I have found out past like 2-3 months, and I'm gonna tell you some of them so you get also aware. And if you're a woman, please save this video. If you're a man, save this video. Share this with your niece, share this with your son. You don't know what your son might be going through. If he's a very quiet person, if you have a husband, if you have a boyfriend, if you have any ex, you don't know who's, if somebody even have a pre-existing criminal charge, might be also going through this, who knows? So you never know what's up. But anyway, listen to this. So this is some of the techniques, their harassment techniques I have found out. So first what they do is that they try to find out by, obviously they're all over you. I don't know if they really try to listen to if this agency, FCIB, have access to your phone, or they can really, with their court order, they can really listen to your calls or not. But what they do is that if you have a car, your car is getting tracked, that's for sure. I have verified that. I have multiple videos coming. You want to stick to this, stay tuned on this. They show up wherever you show up, doesn't matter if you're on the city side or if you're in a suburb side, okay? So your car is getting tracked. I mentioned them previously on my other videos, okay? Number one, you're getting tracked. But if you leave your car at home and you're like, you know what, I'm gonna go there by myself, by walking, shops, coffee shop, whatever, McDonald's, they will still show up. So the question is, either somebody from your home or near your neighborhood is constantly watching you and reporting them. You will see them, they're always like texting like that. They're reporting them, and then there's a third to second, anybody near your home or near that place reporting, snitching that, yo, this guy or this girl just going outside with a dog walk, then they will show up. And because you do this almost daily, they kind of know where you're gonna show up or where you're walking, or if you're going to the gas station, they can tell, right? Sometime you will see wherever you walk, you will see there's a standby car with the car keys in, with the engines on. Like, listen to this, in a winter day. So they're wasting their gas to watch you and follow you around, or just reporting like where you go, okay? In many cases, if you look at my previous video, in many cases they don't have to look at you, they constantly look at the thing. In many cases, whoever approved these people to do this, it is 100% a harassment and a irritation techniques, because they're not necessarily doing any work. They just pass by and they're just gonna face this way while you're facing this way. It's not like, yo, you're there to do a on-site job or secret job or contractor. No, they're just there. They're just there, but they're just like this. But they're gonna set themselves up there like this before you show up, okay? That's one thing. I think I said that's not the main thing I found, but look, this is what I found important. I'm gonna give you more important stuff here, so stick to this. Part of the mind control, TI controls, and all that stuff. But don't say conspiracy, don't say spiritual, don't say devil, don't say all this thing to make my whole investigation harder and tougher and make people confused. Don't do that. That have nothing to do with this. By the way, why you gonna be the TI committee? Maybe you're part of the activists, maybe you know something, maybe you're too powerful, maybe you are very rare type of DNA and they already know, and they want you out, or they want to psychologically manipulate you. They're gonna put you on the list. Once you're on their system, they're gonna constantly follow you around, okay? For those of you who are like innocent mind right now who is watching this, okay? So this is what I found out. First, they're gonna try to find this agency. Obviously, they want to get to know you. If you try to be mysterious and you don't like to talk too much, if you don't like to introduce yourself, if you try to be a very secretive person, they're gonna try to obviously find out by sending this public. It's a community policing, try to near you to get as much. It's called portfolio. They're gonna do this criminal portfolio. They try to do this regular portfolio. They try to get how you operate, what you do, how you introduce yourself, what name you give, how you talk, all that thing. They do this, and whoever's watching and listening, they're constantly uploading this information by text or however on their algorithm or public chat system. Obviously the main dude out there who's collecting all this information from this public. So it's a very nice systematic what they did. So listen, what I was trying to say was they collect these informations first, okay? They try to get the thing, who are you? They try to find just your weakness. So if you had a fight with your argument with your girlfriend, ex, oh, I don't like that when you do this, da 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 da. I don't like when you talk to the other guys. I don't like you seeing with him. They kind of know people who just hurts you over here, they kind of know what's your weakness. So what they're gonna do, this is what happened, and this happened to me twice. I want to let you know. Watch this, okay? This is exactly